Now, refraction is where a signal basically gets bent. We're not going to change the frequency of that signal. You could see, again, some absorption, but the idea here is, in this case, I got these two microwave towers trying to communicate between them, and depending on where they're placed and how tall they are, we might actually see some other bending. But the idea is that when we have something like just, cool air, well, that air, like I just said, with scattering could cause some problems, but usually we have no problem. But if we had water vapor, when that signal hits that water vapor, because it's a little more dense and has more to it than just the regular dry air, we could see that signal or that light bend, and that would be refraction. If ever, maybe you've noticed, if you had a glass of water, all right, and so I got some water in here, and you put a straw into that water, it looks like the straw suddenly bends in that water, because as the light passes through this medium, the signal gets bent going through that different medium. And of course, the straw is really not bent, it just appears that way. And that, again, would be an example of that refraction.